right, it was a beautiful morning for sunrise. Now we're about to go do some snorkeling. The goal today for snorkeling is we're not going to stop until we find little Nemo.
Little clownfish. Little clownfish and an
We've seen them in pictures and stuff, but we haven't been able to find one yet, so today's the day.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Alright baby, we're ready to go?
Ready to rock and roll. Yesterday, we snorkeled to that island over there. And today, we're kayaking to that island right there. So each one of these dark spots is like a patch of coral. The snorkeling trip has commenced.
We made it to the island?
I'm so excited.
We got Nemo. Alright, we are heading back now. Sammy, how was it?
Amazing. It was so incredible. Alright, Tommy's been doing all the work, so I'm going to help him. I'm going to stop GoPro for a little bit, but the water is just so clear, it's so easy. Tommy's returning all of our gear. We had such an amazing morning snorkeling. We really wanted to find that clownfish, and I'm so glad that we found it, and I'm so glad I was the one who spotted it. Makes me feel like a winner.
You are the winner for today. So we came here yesterday, and the food is super cheap and delicious, but we saw some people with some fish, and it looked too good to pass up. It's a mackerel with tamarind sauce. It's cooked to perfection. I like that kind of right on the outside. The inside's very, Sammy's favorite word, moist. It's delish. Hello, baby.
Most people usually go to Sunset Beach for sunset, but we decided to stay on this side of the island, which is sunrise. So the sun is setting behind us. But this lighting right now and these colors are just so pretty.
Don't, you never test it. You just wait for the accident to happen. Hey, there's valuable stuff in there. Be careful.
Waterproof, guys. The review is in. Oh. Everyone's looking at me. I don't like this.